So we have two use case scenarios that we have taken. The first one is repetitive same amount withdrawal transactions, where a single user, when he's trying to withdraw some amount in a very short span of time, in a repetitive manner, it can be considered as a suspicious activity or a fraudulent activity, which prompts further scrutiny by banks and financial institutions. And the second one is multiple invalid logging attempts in short duration, where a user is trying to attempt logging in via invalid credentials um, uh, repetitively for 3 times, then it would also be considered as a suspicious activity, which we can handle by implementing robust security measures and responsible protocols, and effectively mitigate risk and protect against unauthorized excessive attempts. Now, let me just move ahead to the second part that I did about the CRUD operations on the SQL, on the database that we have created. So let's go ahead and understand the CRUD operations that we did on on the database that we have created. First one is great. First one is by inserting a column, an entirely new column where a customer column. We already had 50 entries, and now we have entered a 51 entry named Alice Wonderland, which you can see on the right after running the operation. The second one is by reading a specific customer detail using a customer ID, where we are selecting a customer ID 29 from customers. On the right, you can see that when we run the operation, you can see that 29 David is visible. That is how we can find out any entry we want. The next one is to update. So we are going to update a phone number of a customer ID 51. After we run the operation, you can see that the phone number has been updated. Yeah, so it matches. And now the last operation that we are going to perform is the delete statement, where we are going to delete the customer ID 51, which we created in the beginning. And when we select from customers, we would see that there are only 50 customers visible and not the 51. So this is how we are going to use CRUD operations in our database management system. Thank you so much. Great. How many minutes is that?